Hi, I would like to show you how I configured Asterisk, which is an open source implementation of PBX systems and VoIP systems that help in making outbound and inbound calls. I'm using Oracle's VirtualBox virtual machine, and I have installed CentOS operating system, which is a Linux distribution. So after installing the CentOS on hard drive, we can easily remove the ISO disk image by going over here in the optical drives option and unchecking this option. Then in the settings option of VirtualBox virtual machine, we have to go to the network option and we have to change the default NAT adapter to the bridge adapter and then press OK. Of Cent operating system, we have to make sure that the wired connection is on. So the host operating system knows that the guest operating system is connected through Ethernet cable. Then we have to go to the terminal window and we have to start Asterisk. To start Asterisk, we have to write, but before that, we will check the status of Asterisk. System CTL status Asterisk. So as you can see, I have already loaded and the asterisk is running. Host operating system and guest operating system and whether they are connected uh, within the same network by checking the IP address of Windows in the command prompt, which is 10.0.0.198. And now I will check my IP address of my guest operating system. So this is my IP address of my guest operating system. So as we can see that both are in same network, now I can try to ping my host operating system and let's see if it happens. So as you can see, the packets are getting transmitted, and to save the packets, I can type TCP dump or just press Ctrl C. So I've set up my another soft phone on the Android and with the user extension, and this is how I did my setup. And now I will try to call the other another extension, which is 1000. So as you can see, I can make internal calls between the two extensions now. So after editing the three configuration files, zip.conf, extensions.conf, and voicemail.conf, we'll proceed to the next step. The next step is setting up the soft phones. So I have set up one soft phone with extension, and this is how I did the setup. And for the VoIP provider, this is the setup. Now I will make external calls through my extension. So as you can see, the the extension goes to the voicemail as nobody is available to take up the call. So we can see that the calling was successful. Now I would like to tell you some of the difficulties which I faced during the asterisk configuration. So this is the problem which I received during the configuration of mailbox. So I wasn't able to put the appropriate context in the mailbox. Then it is very essential and important to disable the firewall. And if you forget it, you cannot bridge the guest network operating system and host network operating system.